Hi guys and welcome back to Gekko channel, Gekko Games. Today we will see how to set up the iOS template for AGK. Okay, first of all I repeat, sorry for my English, I'm trying to do my best speaking it, and let's start and see from scratch, from zero, how to use it. First of all, we need to copy it to move in another location. I use iOS application. We paste here and we call Gekko Template. Gekko Template. We delete all these files that we don't need it. I will show you which one to include later. So we need to delete this, and this. Okay. Now we have classes. Okay, I don't know what is this. This is the first time I see this template together with you. So let's start Xcode and let's see what is changed in this new template from AGK. Okay, these resources are not inside. Okay, no, we don't need this. We don't need this too, and we don't need this because we will add it manually. Okay, first of all, let's change the name. Gekko Template. Okay, we don't need the snapshot. Okay. Bundle identifier, we will in the bundle identifier we will write something something.com. Okay. Team no one for the moment. No one. Okay, version 1.0. We need at least 6.1. Device for me always universal. Okay, what we need is this. If I'm not wrong, I have it in the home screen. Okay. Okay. Let's copy this one. Or I can copy it directly from another part. Anyway, include. Okay, let's delete the include. Okay, let's start, boys. Okay, blah 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 blah. Define one of these to fix player that forever template. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's include the files. I have the include files in application. Sorry, I'm on a Mac Mini and recording the video together with AGK V2.5. So common include, and I include the files. Okay, include. I don't want the Gekko template prefix. Okay, so I delete it. So move to trash. The main is always the same. Okay, let's go to take one of my project to change. This is the new one. Okay, so new folder, sys icons. This is why I do this thing. So let's take the AGK I will take the test iOS, test Mac, test iPad, test. This is the test we need. Copy and paste here. So we will use one of my program, icon creator 2. So if you want to support me, you can buy this little software that is very useful. So we go on the desktop and we need the test to do all the icon we need. Okay, so save icons to folder. We do a new folder, and the new folder is the no name folder 2. Let's see if that was created. Okay, these are the icons automatically created from my software. So now we need to move them in our system icons. So we take all the test and copy here. Okay, so we can delete it. Now we have the icons. Now we need the splash screens, but maybe you won't do the splash screens by yourself, so I will don't do it. Okay, let's return to Xcode and we need to add in the resource. So new group, sys icons, add files to Gekko Template, sys icons, all the icons, add. Okay, we can close it. We go here in the general and we start to add it here. So 57, 100, 114, 120, 72, 144, 76, 152, 29, 58, 80, you can jump this part if you want. 100, 40, look, there are all the icons we need. 80 again 29, okay, and 58. Okay, now we are ready. Build just for to see some errors, even if no need to build it. Okay, now we need to add the template. Okay, I want to change the name of the template, so Gekko Template. Now framework, we need to add the framework in application, AGK V2, IDE, platform, Apple, lib, release light. Okay, release light, because I will later add more and more manager for your application. So I will give you the code in OBC to do the Facebook, all the extra that you can find in the AGK. Okay. After you add the library, we need to change the paths because the one added from the AGK team. So delete the framework search part. Header search part must be deleted. Okay. Then we will go to see in my template what will be. Okay. Delete. This one is the last we added. So build again. Let's see. We need to validate the project setting. Retina support, add the support. Okay. And we must remember to anyway, let's see. Ecco qua. Prefix header. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Let's build. AGK file not found. Let's take it manually. Application, tact. Information. Let's copy information manually. Okay. Let's add it. Tag common include. Okay, let's see. Okay, accelerator is deprecated. Now I think this file core.m is the same we used to use in the past. I'll give it a little check. So we can take one of my Wall Street Online, and we can go to the core.m. Where is core.m? In classes AGK. Okay, core.m. Okay, let's see the differences. Let's start from the beginning. Core.m, media player, core motion. I suggest to start to include core motion because the one from AGK is deprecated. Accelerometer is deprecated in Italian. Okay, namespace AGK, iPhone app delegate, view controller, and I add usually this for Facebook. If you want to use Facebook, I give this with Facebook. Okay, application did finish launching, blah blah blah. Try app begin, catch use string error, prevent error message. This is new. Well, we can use this one. This is the same. We can use this. I hate the way the coder make this clear. Set attive. Okay, now we need how to delete the notification, the local notification. Okay, success. And now reset local notification if used. Okay, this is the number you see on the icon when you receive or you force a local notification. So application blah blah blah. This is the session. We need to add this, okay, for FB session. Yes, I will change it for you in this way. I will call it FB session for you. Okay, so here we need FB session. Okay, FB session. So self FB session. Anyway, we need to add in the framework in the documents Facebook SDK, Facebook framework. Okay. My dog is doing wah wah against some children in the stairs. I will cut this part. Okay. Import Facebook, because we need to import Facebook. We'll import it here. Okay. I will import many framework here, because the template .h is called from everyone, so we don't need to import everywhere. Okay. FB session now work. Okay. Returning to core.m, we see where are the deprecations. So application blah 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 blah. We have to make this until here. Okay, resumed, set inactive, set active. This is for Facebook. In application did become active. Okay, I called it for you FB session. Application will terminate. End of the app, we will add self.fb session.close. Inactive app end. The unlock, this is for the music and player. The accelerometer is deprecated. Orientation is the same, yes, it's the same, and end. This must be commented if you want to use my template. Application, this must be changed because now it works in another way, so use this and not this. Application, open URL. We don't need this. Okay, application did receive local notification. We need to add this. Okay, why there is this error? Missing context. Which context? Must end. We must comment this. No, this is application did receive local notifications. Okay, let's copy my one. Okay. Okay. Orientation changed. Okay. Now this is my part. Do something. Notify. Okay, why you are bothering me? Okay, we need to add something. Okay, we need security. We don't need message UI. We need security. Security. System configuration. Add media player to XCode. Okay, add. Okay. Okay. And import template.h. Okay. Let's go here. No tab until view. Okay. Okay. So AGK. Facebook. Keychain. Where is the import this one? Yeah. Okay. Let's see again. Missing context for method declaration. Okay. There's no implementation here. So no end here. Okay, FB session. Okay. Now application state is unused. We don't mind. Untitled. Blah, 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 blah. This is core.h. No, XCode is already included. AGK is already included. Okay, let's delete all this comment. Okay, got the banner. Okay, so let's see the trick for the got the banner. Okay, let's do the trick here, and let's do the trick here too. This is the trick for the got banner error. After iPhone app delegate, no, only me use this. After false. Okay, got the banner trick. Okay, let's see. Okay, boy. Okay, now let's see if we can do something with this. I will use the simulator. We have this error is a warning for unused. We can also comment this. You can use this to check the state of the notification. Okay, let's see what we can do now in the blah, 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 in the template CPP. Okay. We can run it in the iPhone simulator iOS 7.1. Let's see if it works. Waiting. I don't see nothing. Running. Okay. Okay, the template work. So, oops, sorry. The template work in this way. Blah blah blah. Nothing interesting. Okay, what we need is this. This is the way. Let's close the simulator. Better we use this one. Okay, so we now have the working template. Including only some things. Let's clear the template. AGK libraries. This one. Include for OBJ C. Include for AGK and extras. Okay, define one of these to fix the player to that orientation forever. No, we don't need this. Anyway, we need to see the difference from my template to this. Okay, let's start from the part we have the same part. I want to see if it's the same. So we had done the gut banner trick, untitled view controller, blah blah blah. I want to give you this one that is very important. iPhone app delegate the pointer. Okay. Get the banner until the view interface until the view controller. I think it's the same. Even if I like the old one style, I don't like all this implementation to the same place. But so we work on AGL contest. Okay. Did receive memory warning. Doesn't recognize memory pool. Blah blah blah. This is the same. A week from nib. This is different. Okay, I give you this. That is very important. The one I added before. A liar. You can see the differences. I use always the app delegate view controller instead self, but I don't know if it works better. AGK players assets mode. I don't know what is this. It's new. view controller, set resolution, init gl, update the view controller. This is self again, so try, catch. Blah 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 blah. False, display supported, frame interval, display link sync timer. I completely deleted this part because we don't need the 3.1 anymore. Current device, if current device display link supported uguale true, gb cosa uguale true. I think it's in this way also for me. I think. Okay. Set orientation allowed. I don't have this, but this is not good here. Okay. This is my. Okay, should is the same. Is capturing image. Well, this is not important. This anyway is good. Good. Should rotate, yes. Update pointer. Clean up. If program, okay. Okay. Context release. View will appear. Blah blah blah. Okay. Tear down context. We are about 1 hour of video. Frame interval. Set frame interval. Set active. Active true. Set inactive. Set inactive draw view. Okay. I will add this for you. Okay. It's not needed anymore, but better we use it. So we have a trial loop with the catch again, and exit 0 can be used here. Well, boys, don't use exit 0 or the app will be rejected. Okay, so exit 0 is not good. Exit 0 is not good. Okay. Let's see again if it works. Okay. Let's run on the small iPhone. Let's see if it works. What happened? Until view control the view and recognize selected to send instance, blah blah blah. Sorry. This one must be always true. This is the reason I have it always true, because the display link must be always supported. Okay, we can close this one. This is working, and this is the template. Now we need to add another thing for you. How to call the OBC from this one, from the CPP. So Gekko view is another untitled view controller already only allocated. So when the untitled view controller, we call the rest of untitled view controller in this part. So for example, if I add a function void hello void hello, and I go here, and if we want to start here to put our functions, okay, we have void hello that nslog nslog hello really well. Okay, now if we go to the template, we can do here gview hello. Okay, we start and we must see if it works. Hello in the console. Hello really well. Okay, this is the way to call OBC from C++. This is okay. You can do also other controller here, and you can call them from everywhere. You can do another entity view controller, another view controller. You just need to allocate it, only allocate. Okay, the release must be done inside the controller. Okay, boys, this is the template, the Gekko template for iOS to start immediately to code with the AGK. The next time I will start to code a manager for you, sprite manager, an image manager, and other things manager, file manager. Okay, thank you for following me. I will put the link to download this file, the zip of the template. I suggest to use the same folder I use on my computer, so you can use it immediately. So see you next time. Bye bye.